Yo everyone, this is Kirk Roldan from Kirk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. And in this video, I'm going to share another documentation for what I'm doing and to be consistent on my YouTube channel because I promise to publish a daily video here on my channel. So this is what I'm doing right now, and also to give value to the people and share my journey, success, failures, and also insights in the SEO industry. Now, since right now, timing, because we have 3 celebration, okay, inside the company today. So first celebration, this is what we are going on a monthly basis. First celebration, every month, we will pick the best people inside the whole company, whole department. Number 1, no absences or only few absences or late. And second, we will also check if you have a good standing for your clients, no mistakes, you're excellent at your job or for what you are doing for the month of June. Then we will check everything, and then we will check or have 2 to 3, depends if you are that person who can comply. Then we will give you a giveaway, a token of appreciation and also an incentives or a money. That's what we are doing. That's one celebration. Second, for the month of June, let's say for example, it's your birthday from June 1 to June 30, then we will also provide or give you cake and also greetings, something like that. That's how we do it. Third, since this is an end of the month, we are also giving food, snacks, or we are going to eat together with the team. That's 3 celebration that we are going to do today. And also the reason why we are doing this because we give value to the people. This is part of our culture. This is what we are doing on a monthly basis because we love them. And yeah, they are doing the best or their best as they can on a monthly basis. And I believe they are fit to have that appreciation from us as well. So those clients, prospects, or agency owners who are watching this video, I'm not saying that you will also do what we are doing because it depends on you, your culture, how you do it. If you have your own process, it's up to you. Yeah, we have a different perspective. People love appreciation. And since they are working with you, I also believe that they are worth it. You're worth to receive that. They are worth to give some value. As long as you appreciate your people, they feel it, you care for them, you love them, then they love it because they really need it. They really need to feel that you care for them. There are many ways to support your people. You can talk to them, you can have a bond with them, you can train them, you can have a heart-to-heart conversation with them. As long as they feel that you love them, then for me that is good. And they also want that. So those agency owners out there, love your people, care for your people because they are working with you on a daily basis. They're making money from your agency. So give the best as you can for your people. And I'll see you on my next videos. If you are looking for white label SEO solutions, just go to kirkroldanseo.com and let's schedule a call. Thank you.